Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video for Euro USD analysis. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. This Gartley has been completed. Market hit this 88.6% of last upswing. You see this 88.6 of the last US. This was the line. All right, the horizontal line of this crosshair. So 88.6 of this upswing. So let me remove this. This is not required on the chart anymore. As well as this A B equals CD has been completed, and there was a reaction to the upside, and this is the 30% of the Gartley. From this point to this point was the total downward movement of the Gartley, and this is the 30% retracement of the Gartley, which is why I had not entered buy position in Euro USD, and I had suggested people to close buy position on Euro USD because non-farm payroll was not weak enough to keep driving Euro USD to the upside. So Euro USD had reacted from this area. There was a move to the upside, further stagnation, and today market looks like it's going down. Shall we enter sell position right now? No, let's wait for further confirmation. Let this RSI cross below this 50 line. So this is the midline of RSI. I believe RSI is not going to cross below this line even with the closure of this current 1 hour candle. So let's wait for the next candle. If this crosses to the crosses below this line, and next candle also starts and moves down, then we can enter sell position. And where will be the target? So let's go to the weekly time frame, and there let's talk about the target. If you remember, I had discussed about this 50% of a weekly move from C to D as a one leg, and this 50% of weekly move was 1110 that was completed. And next support as per the weekly is 61.8% of the weekly Fibonacci. So this has been plotted on all the time frames. So let's go back to 4 hour, and let me contract this chart. So this is the 61.8% of weekly Fibonacci, which is very important target. And all these levels have been working in Euro USD because Euro USD is most popular pair, and many traders jump on every support and resistance line. So you'll see too many reactions from too many levels. That's why I discuss about all the levels. Last time you see this was the completion point of a butterfly. There was upward reaction because of the butterfly, further continuation to the downside, and then there was a reaction. There was a slight reaction, again continuation to the downside. Now Gartley completed, and then this is the upward reaction. So we cannot eliminate the chance of the upward reaction from the 61.8% of the weekly upswing. And then is the 161.8% of this butterfly. So very nearest target is gonna be this 1080 area or 1075 area. Something between 1080 1075 will be the next target. So simply wait for this closure of the candle. There is 1 minute remaining in closure of this candle, and then next candle will start. London session has proved to be a bear market today. Pre-opening candle was bearish. That was the start of European session. Then London started as a bullish candle, but this bullish candle couldn't engulf the previous one. Current candle started going up, took the stop loss if there was a stop loss of sellers above this point, and then came back. So sometimes it happens that the market take your stop loss and then move in your desired direction. So since we are not in any position, so it was not a problem for us. We are just waiting for further confirmation. And this 4 hour candle is gonna be a bearish engulfing candle, this current 4 hour candle. So ignore this MACD. There is no sense of looking at the trend on the 4 hour time frame if we already have a downtrend on daily time frame. Daily time downtrend was already confirmed after January 8. So let's keep our plan simple. We'll enter sell in the next candle after RSI will cross below this 50. Maybe it will cross around 1115 area. Now price is at 1121. So if we enter at 1115, our stop loss will be above this high, today's high. That will be around 20 pips plus added spreads. So it will be 25 pips or 24 pips maximum, and then the nearest target will give us 34 pips profit. Or if we go to this 161.8% of the butterfly, then it will give us 39.4 pips profit. So it's your decision where to exit. I'll rather exit at the very nearest target, the nearest target, that is 1080 area. So I'll keep my TP 1080 plus 1 pip spread. So 1081 is my target. Stop loss above this high. So that's all about this EUR USD analysis. And if you want to understand all these things, you can watch all the videos related to euro posted before this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice trading session ahead.